Hi everyone, welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a author profile page in your blog or website. So as you know, if you are using WordPress, then you have a author page like this where you can display the author name and author description along with all the articles published by that author in a separate page. Similarly, you can create a author profile page in your blog or website. So as you can see, we have a author profile page where you can display the author name, add a short description about the author, you can add the image of the author, and you can display some of the skills by that author, and it will automatically fetch the articles written by that author. So you can see all these articles written by this author is shown on this page. So we have different category options, so user can filter it out and explore all these articles. So let's suppose this article doesn't have an category, so let me assign this category. So we don't have AI category showing up here, so let me add the category. So let me add this category as AI. Let me update and let me refresh this page, and as you can see, the AI category is now added to the page. So in this way you can display author profile page where all the blog post will be automatically fetched from your website and user can easily search for articles. Let's suppose you want to search for AI tools. Let me search here. You can see the article is now showing, and if I click on here, it will automatically open that article in a new tab. So to add this type of author profile page, all you need a code snippet. So let me go back to pages. You can create a new page. I have already created that. All you have to do is just use a code snippet like this. I will include the code link in the description. So all you have to do is make some changes on this code. So first one is you need to assign the author here. So you can see author name, you can add your author name, you can add a description about the author, you can add the website URL, and in the author section make sure to add the author. So this is case sensitive, so always use the exact author used on this. So if I click on any of the article here, let's scroll down to author, and you can see you need to copy this author. Make sure that you copy exactly as it is because it is case sensitive. So if you are writing it on capital letters, then you have to copy it through capitals and change it here. Next, you can display the number of posts per page. So you can set that number here. You can assign the skills of that author, and rest is okay. So you need to make some changes on these sections. You need to change the author name, bio, image URL of that author, website URL, and make sure to, this is a case sensitive, so make sure to use the exact author of your website, and it will display all the articles related to that author on this page. So this is how simple it is to add a author bio page. So let me remove that, and here it will display all the articles along with their date and the category, and we have a load more articles buttons, and it will load all these articles like this. So I will include the code link of this author page in the description. Make sure to use the code and make some changes, and that's it. So if you found this type of content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for making such videos it require a lot of efforts, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you will get regular updates and we will bring more videos in future. Thank you.